Did you know that one man almost single-handedly transformed mixed martial arts from a fringe spectacle into a billion-dollar empire? That man is Dana White, the driving force behind the meteoric rise of the Ultimate Fighting Championship, UFC. Born on July 28, 1969, in Manchester, Connecticut, Dana White's journey from a young man with a passion for boxing to the president of the world's leading MMA organization is nothing short of extraordinary. White's sharp business acumen, relentless drive, and knack for spotting talent have turned the UFC into a global phenomenon, captivating millions of fans worldwide. In this video, we'll explore how Dana White built his empire, his net worth, and the legacy he's creating in the sports world. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind his success and his incredible story. Humble beginnings in Manchester, Connecticut. Dana White's story begins in Manchester, Connecticut, where he was raised by a single mother. Growing up in modest circumstances, White showed an early interest in combat sports, particularly boxing. He worked odd jobs during his teenage years, including time as a bellhop, but his passion for the fight game remained his constant focus. In his 20s, Dana moved to Las Vegas to pursue his dream of managing fighters. It was during this period that he befriended fighters and trainers, laying the groundwork for his future career. White's humble beginnings taught him resilience and adaptability, traits that would later help him navigate the competitive and often unpredictable world of MMA. His early struggles shaped his perspective and gave him the tenacity to take bold risks, ultimately changing his life forever. The Fertitta connection and UFC takeover. Dana White's career took a pivotal turn when he reconnected with childhood friends Lorenzo and Frank Fertitta II. The Fertitta brothers, casino magnates with deep pockets, were intrigued by White's vision of turning the struggling UFC into a mainstream sensation. In 2001, White convinced the Fertittas to purchase the UFC for $2 million, with him taking the reins as president. At the time, the organization was losing money and facing regulatory hurdles, but White was undeterred. He saw potential in the sport and vowed to make it a household name. With the Fertittas' backing, White spearheaded efforts to legalize MMA in more states and improve fighter safety, setting the stage for the UFC's resurgence. His leadership marked the beginning of a new era for MMA, fueled by innovation and determination. The Ultimate Fighter. In 2005, Dana White launched The Ultimate Fighter, a reality TV show that changed the trajectory of the UFC. Facing financial struggles, White and his team gambled on the show, which aired on Spike TV and introduced MMA to a broader audience. The season finale, featuring a legendary fight between Forrest Griffin and Stephen Bonnar, captivated millions and catapulted the UFC into mainstream consciousness. The success of The Ultimate Fighter solidified White's reputation as a visionary marketer and helped secure lucrative broadcasting deals. By merging entertainment with athleticism, White broadened the UFC's appeal and attracted fans from diverse backgrounds. The show became a cornerstone of the UFC's strategy, producing new stars and fostering a deeper connection with its audience, expanding the UFC brand internationally. Dana White understood early on that MMA had global appeal, and he worked tirelessly to expand the UFC's footprint. Under his leadership, the UFC hosted events in countries like Canada, Brazil, the United Kingdom, and Japan, catering to the sport's passionate international fan base. White also played a key role in integrating foreign fighters into the UFC, showcasing talents like Georges St-Pierre, Anderson Silva, and Khabib Nurmagomedov. These efforts brought a unique global flavor to the organization and fostered fan loyalty worldwide. By investing in local talent and hosting high-profile events across continents, White turned the UFC into an international powerhouse. His vision of global dominance laid the foundation for the UFC's massive financial success and cultural impact. Negotiating the $4 billion sale of the UFC. In 2016, Dana White orchestrated one of the most significant deals in sports history, the $4 billion sale of the UFC to WMEING, now Endeavor. The deal was a testament to the UFC's explosive growth under White's leadership, from a struggling promotion to a global sports juggernaut. White retained his role as president, ensuring continuity in the organization's direction. The sale also made White a multi-millionaire, with an estimated net worth of $500 million. Despite the sale, White remained deeply involved in the UFC's operations, continuing to grow the brand and expand its influence. His ability to negotiate high-stakes deals while maintaining the UFC's identity cemented his legacy as a master strategist and leader. Elevating fighters to superstar status. One of Dana White's most remarkable achievements has been his uncanny ability to transform UFC fighters into global superstars, from the likes of Conor McGregor and Ronda Rousey to the rising talents like Israel Adesanya. A testament to White's exceptional promotional skills and unparalleled knack for crafting captivating narratives that have turned these athletes into household names, drawing in fans from all walks of life. By masterfully emphasizing the personal stories, rivalries, and larger-than-life personas of his fighters, White has elevated the UFC to a level that rivals other major sports leagues, not only enriching the careers of the athletes themselves, but also solidifying the organization's standing as the undisputed pinnacle of the M&A world. Securing monumental broadcasting deals. Dana White's exceptional ability to secure lucrative broadcasting deals has been a pivotal driver of the UFC's remarkable success. From forging partnerships with the likes of Fox Sports to negotiating the groundbreaking $1.5 billion five-year deal with ESPN in 2018. A move that not only significantly boosted the organization's visibility and revenue, but also propelled M&A into the mainstream sports ecosystem, introducing the UFC to millions of new viewers. These high-profile deals have not only strengthened the UFC's financial standing, but have also underscored White's unparalleled adaptability, as he has skillfully leveraged the power of digital streaming and pay-per-view to ensure the organization's continued dominance in the rapidly evolving media landscape. Navigating the pandemic with UFC 249. When the COVID-19 pandemic brought the sports world to a screeching halt in 2020, Dana White, undeterred by the challenges, took decisive action to keep the UFC operational, introducing the innovative concept of Fight Island, a quarantine venue in Abu Dhabi, and hosting UFC 249 under strict safety protocols. White's bold moves showcased his unwavering resilience and steadfast commitment to the sport. By adapting swiftly and maintaining a full fight schedule, White not only ensured the UFC's financial stability, but also provided much-needed entertainment and a sense of normalcy to fans during the global crisis. His exceptional leadership during this tumultuous period highlighted White's remarkable ability to thrive under immense pressure, earning him praise and admiration from both supporters and stakeholders alike. Philanthropy and giving back. Dana White's remarkable success with the UFC has afforded him the opportunity to give back to the communities and causes closest to his heart, from donating to first responders and veterans to funding impactful youth programs, a testament to his belief in leveraging his wealth and influence to drive positive change. His charitable efforts extend beyond just the general public, as White has also used his resources to help support fighters in need, underscoring his unwavering loyalty and commitment to the M&A community that he has helped shape. White's philanthropic endeavors have not only made a tangible difference in the lives of those he has touched, but have also earned him the respect and admiration of those both within the sport and the wider public, solidifying his legacy as a leader who understands the importance of using success as a platform for meaningful impact. The legacy of a visionary leader. At the helm of the UFC for over 2 decades, Dana White's legacy is that of a visionary leader who single-handedly transformed mixed martial arts from a fringe spectacle into a global sports empire. His relentless drive, innovative strategies, and unparalleled ability to connect with fans have made the UFC a cultural phenomenon, captivating millions worldwide and inspiring entrepreneurs and leaders across diverse industries. Through his bold decision-making, strategic partnerships, and unwavering commitment to the sport, Dana White has not only redefined the landscape of combat sports, but also cemented his status as a symbol of perseverance, success, and the power of vision. As he continues to push the boundaries and explore new frontiers, Dana White's enduring legacy will undoubtedly shape the future of the UFC and beyond. Dana White's journey from a small-town kid to the face of a global sports empire is a story of passion, determination, and innovation. His leadership has not only transformed MMA, but also created opportunities for countless athletes and fans worldwide. As the UFC continues to grow, White's legacy as the architect of its success remains unparalleled. If you found this video helpful and informative, please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.
Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.